Welcome my dear student. How are you? I hope you are all well. आज हम वेक्टर का जो स्केलर और डॉट प्रोडक्ट और वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट और क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट का कुछ न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करना चाहेंगे. We shall do some numericals related to scalar or dot product and vector or cross product. So we all know that some basic rules. If A and B are two vectors, then we know that A dot B equal to mod of vector A mod of vector B and cosine of the angles between them. A dot B equal to AB cos theta. And also in this case I dot I, that is unit vector along x axis, equal to J dot J equal to K dot K equal to 1. And also this is a scalar product, and if A and B is perpendicular, then obviously A dot B equal to 0 if A is perpendicular to vector B. This is the basic formula of dot product or scalar product. If we go with cross product, then A cross B equal to A mod of A mod of B sine of theta into n cap. N cap is a unit vector which is normal to both A and B. So a unit vector normal to both A and B is A cross B divided by mod of A cross mod A mod B. So A cross B equal to A cross B equal to mod A mod B sin theta into n cap. Then n cap equal to A cross B by mod A mod B sin theta. If two vectors are parallel, then A cross B equal to 0. If two vectors are perpendicular, then A dot B equal to 0, and if two vectors are parallel, then A cross B equal to 0. Now let us start with some examples. What is the magnitude and direction of vector I plus j? What is the magnitude and direction? Number 1, what is the magnitude and direction of I plus j vector? What is the magnitude and direction of I plus j vector? Previous class, as you go to my previous video, there I discuss everything about dot product and cross product and the basic law. You also know to to do dot product or cross product. But here, what is the magnitude of and direction of vector I plus j? So how can we solve it? Let the magnitude of vector I plus j is equal to magnitude of I plus j equal to square of coefficient of I plus square of coefficient to B, a coefficient to j, and the sum of the two of coefficient and square root is given by root 1 square plus root 1 square, that is root 2. This is the magnitude of I plus j. What is the direction of I plus j? Also let I plus j vector makes beta angle with x axis. Then tan beta is equal to, if I plus j makes beta angle with x axis, then tan beta is equal to coefficient of I cap by coefficient of j cap. Coefficient of I cap is 1 and coefficient of j cap is 1, that is 1 by 1 equal to 1. The tan beta equal to 1 means beta is equal to 45 degree. So from dot product we can solve this sum easily. That is, the magnitude of vector I plus j is root 2 and the direction of I plus j with x axis is 45 degree. I hope you all understand this. Let us go with some another example. Please copy in your book, in your खाते में लिख लीजिए, in your notebook. Next we go for the next math. Find a unit vector. Find a unit vector perpendicular to find a unit vector perpendicular to the vectors a and b, to the perpendicular to vector a is equal to and vector b is equal to, given a is equal to 4i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap, 4i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap, and vector b is given minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, minus 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. 4i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap is value of a, and b is minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k. Actually, this is the definition of cross product. We know that when a and b are two vectors lying in same plane, a and b, and if we cross it from a to b through an angle theta, then a cross b is perpendicular to both, a cross b is perpendicular to both a and b. Here unit vector is required. So c vector is perpendicular to both a cross b. Now by definition of unit vector, n cap is equal to vector, that is here the vector is a cross b, by mod of a cross b. So this is the vector, which unit vector which is perpendicular to both a and b. So we can find out the value of a cross b first. So let us take example a cross b. I know you know the determinant I cap, j cap, k cap, 4 minus 1 3, coefficient of I j k, 4 minus 1 3, minus 2 1 2. Now a cross b is equal to I cap. I know that you know the determinant. Next we go with the second example, second numerical. What is the angle made by A with x axis? what is the angle made by vector A? The value of vector A is given 2i cap plus 2j cap, 2i cap plus 2j cap with x axis. What is the angle made by A with x axis? If theta be the angle of vector A with x axis, then cos theta equal to A dot I cap by mod A mod I cap. From the definition of dot product, A dot I cap equal to mod A mod I cos theta. So cos theta equal to A dot I cap by mod A mod I cap. Now value of A is 2i cap plus 2j cap dot I cap divided by mod A, that is 2 square plus 2 square, and this is root 1 square. So cos theta equal to, we get, what is the value of cos theta? I dot I equal to 1, but j dot I equal to 0. So this product is 0, but 2i dot I is 2 in numerator. It is written as 2, and 2 square root 8, 2 by root 8. Root 8 means 2 root 2, 2 root 2, that is 1 by root 2. Therefore cos theta equal to 1 by root 2 means theta is equal to 45 degree. So the vector A 2i cap plus 2j cap makes 45 degree angle with x axis. I hope you all understand. Next we go with the third example. If prove that A equal to, prove that A is parallel to B, given vector A and B, A is equal to 4i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap, 4i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap, and B is given as 12i cap plus 9j cap, 12i cap plus 9j cap plus 3k cap plus 3k cap. 4i cap plus 3j cap, 4i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap equal to A, and B equal to 12i cap plus 9j cap plus 3k cap. So for parallel, we said to prove that it has to be proved that A is parallel to B. To prove A is parallel to B, we shall do A cross B equal to 0. As A cross B equal to, we know A B sin theta equal to 0. As A and B are two non-zero vectors, so we can say sin theta is equal to 0, that is theta equal to 0. Theta 0 means the direction of A and B are same. So this is happen only for parallel vectors. So A cross B means we have to make determinants I, J and K. Coefficient of I A is 4, 3, 1 and it is 12, 9, 3. So, if we take the determinant I cap 9 minus 9 plus j cap, sorry, if we take minus j cap, then 12 minus 12 plus k cap, 36 minus 36. So, the resultant is 0. As we know, the resultant is 0. So, A cross B equal to 0. In this way, prove that these vectors are parallel. But there is again a shortcut trick. How can we know? Now, if you have to remember it, if A equal to some constant into vector B, then we can say A is parallel to B. A is some constant, M is constant, it is B multiplied by B. So, here B vector is equal to given 12 I cap plus 9 j cap plus 3 k cap. If we common 3 from each term, then 4 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap, which is nothing but A. So, vector B equal to 3 into vector A. So, we can again B equal to M into A, B equal to M into A. So, we can say that the vectors are parallel. I hope you all know this. You understand this? This is very useful to doing any numericals. If vector A is equal to some constant into vector B or vice versa, that is vector B equal to some constant into vector A, constant in vector A, then we can say A and B are parallel to each other. Next, we go for the next problem. Area of a parallelogram if A and B are two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. If this is A, this side is B, then the area this is the resultant of A and B, that is A plus B. Then the area of parallelogram is given by mod of A cross B. Mod of A cross B. But if the diagonals are given, and we have to find out the area of parallelogram, then what can we do? We solve this. The diagonals of a parallelogram is given. Here the diagram say the diagonals of a parallelogram is given by 3 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap, j cap plus 2 k cap and I cap minus and I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap, 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. This is a diagonal of the parallelogram and this is also the other diagonal of the parallelogram. Find area of the parallelogram. How can we solve it? Very, very important question. I know you know the basics, that is the problem related to find the angle, find the prove that they are perpendicular parallel, but this type of maths is very important for the concept. We know from the vector parallelogram law, if A and B are two adjacent sides, then the diagonal is given by A plus B and A minus B if A or B are opposite vector and A or B are inclined at some angle theta, then the resultant is represented by diagonal. So, the resultant is given by A plus B, and other diagonal if the vector is given by A minus B. A plus B is diagonal, value of diagonal, and also A minus B the value of other diagonal for two vectors represented by adjacent side of the parallelogram. As we know, this vector is A, this vector is B, then the diagonal is represented as A plus B. And also if this is minus B vector, so the diagonal is represented by A minus B vector. Now we find out the area of the diagonal, parallelogram. From our condition, A plus B equal to this 3i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap, and A minus B equal to I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Now A cross B, if we written A cross B equal to half of A minus B cross A plus B. A cross B equal to half of A minus B cross A plus B. You don't understand? Okay. If we take A plus B cross A minus B, what can we get? A cross A cross A minus A cross B plus B cross A minus B cross B. So, A cross A is 0 and B cross B is also 0, but A cross B minus A cross B equal to B cross A cross B equal to minus B cross A. So, minus A cross B equal to B cross A. So, minus A cross B we can get as B cross A, or if we take that, if we multiply A minus B cross A plus B, what can we get? A cross A plus, if we multiply A minus B cross A plus B, then we get A cross A plus A cross B minus B cross A minus B cross B. Now A cross A is 0 and B cross B is 0. And what is B cross A? B cross A equal to plus A cross B. As A cross B, as we know, A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. Not only B cross A, but a negative sign indicates. So, 2 into A cross B. So, A cross B equal to half of A minus B cross A plus B. Now, we have to make out or solve the determinants of A minus B and A cross B, and then divided it by 2. Then what is the value of I, J, K, 3, 1, 2, 1 minus 3, 4. We have to solve it. So, if we take the value from this to this surface, that is equal to I cap, then if we block I cap, 4 minus of minus 6, that is 4 plus 6 minus j cap, 12 minus 2, 12 minus 2 plus k cap, minus 9, this minus 9 minus 1, minus 9 minus 1, that is 10 I cap minus 12 minus 2, that is 10 j cap minus 10 k cap. This is the value of A cross B. This is the value of, this is the value of A minus B cross A plus B. Now, area of the parallelogram is, and this is also equal to A minus B A cross B is ato, and this is also equal to half of A cross B. So, we can say half of A cross B is equal to 10 I cap minus 10 j cap minus 10 k cap. So, A cross B is equal to, so A cross, this is 2 into A cross B. So, A cross B is equal to half into 10 I cap minus 10 j cap minus 10 k cap. As we written it earlier, A cross B equal to half of this. So, if we take 10 common, then 5 I cap minus j cap, 2 I cap, then if 10 common, then I cap minus j cap minus k cap. This is A cross B. Then area of a parallelogram is mod of A cross B, that is 5 root under 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 square unit. So, what can we get? What can we get? We can get 1 root 3, 5 root 3 equal to 8.66 square. So, if the side is given, then the area of parallelogram is given by only mod of A cross B, where A are B and sides. But if the diagonals are given, then the area is given by A cross B is given by half of A minus B cross A plus B. Then diagonals, if A and B are adjacent sides, then the diagonals are given, then as per the rule, A minus B is a diagonal and A plus B is also a diagonal. So, their cross product divided by 2 is the area of the parallelogram. And also, if two adjacent sides are given, then area of triangle can also be if this is A 1 2 1, this is B 3 1 4, and this is C 3 2 5, something this type of math is given, and we can have to find out the area. Then we can first have to determine the value of side, that is AB and AC. How can we get AB? From final to initial point, subtract final from initial point, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2 I cap, plus 1 minus 2, that is minus j cap, plus 4 minus 1, that is plus 3 k cap. This is the AB vector. This is 2 I cap plus minus j cap plus 3 k cap. And what is the value of AC? Subtract C to A. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2 I cap. 2 minus 2, that is 0 j cap, plus 5 minus 1, 4 k cap. We can determine the value of 2 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 4 k cap. So now we can determine the area of triangle ABC is equal to half of mod of AB vector cross AC vector. Easily you can determine it as we solved it in the previous class. So in this way we can determine the value of any numericals related to dot product and cross product. If you understand this, please subscribe my channel. I will take a very interesting video related to the another topic with vector, motion of plane or class 12. If you do not understand or if you feel difficult to understand any topic, please comment me. I shall try my level best to understand you. So thank you again for watching my channel. Thank you.